O genki desu ka? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn to write I am, you are in Japanese. This is lesson number 1 of grammar. I am, you are in Japanese. So here's a short diagram, you can say. Wa, this. A is B, means both are the main particles wa and this in the sentences to make sentences, to form sentences, right? Okay, so in Japanese, wa almost always comes after the subject. Sometimes we put ga instead of wa. And how to write wa, let us know. Wa, wa, wa. It's easy. First wa, I have told you in hiragana. Okay, now how to write this. It's also a particle, you can say, and always it's a verb. It's verb. Okay, and so first of all, let's go to examples. I am Japanese. Watashi wa means I. Japanese people means Nihonjin. Nihon means Japan and people means Jin. And let's know how to write it. First of all, watashi wa, watashi, then go to wa, watashi wa Nihonjin desu. Nihon means Japan and Jin means people. Nihonjin means Japan people. Nihonjin desu means verb. Desu is a verb. Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. Okay, so we will write it like this. This means I am Japanese. That means Nihonjin. Watashi wa Nihonjin desu. So watashi means I and wa is a particle and Nihonjin means Japan people and this, verb. And watashi wa Nihonjin desu. I am Japanese. Next one is I am Indian. Indian people. Indojin. Indo means India, Jin means people, and I means watashi. First write watashi, then write wa, and then write Indojin. Indojin. Jin is a kanji, and des. Watashi wa Indojin desu. So first watashi, then wa, then Indo, then Jin, then des. So this is watashi and this is wa, this is Indo, and this is Jin, and this is des. Watashi wa Indojin desu means I am Indian. So third example is you are Japanese. You means anata. Anata. Japanese people, Nihonjin. Nihon means Japan and Jin means people, and it's a kanji of Jin. Anata wa Nihonjin desu. Anata means you and verb is in the last. First of all, this is anata. Then write wa. Wa is a particle and you can also use ga, but if you want to know the difference between particle wa and ga, tell me. Okay, so watashi, not watashi, it's anata. Anata wa Nihonjin desu. So this is anata. Anata, then wa, then Nihonjin. Nihonjin, then this. Anata wa Nihonjin desu means you are Japanese. Anata means you. Okay, so next one is you are Indian. You means anata, Indian people. First of all, we will write India. India is Indo, and Jin means people, Indian people. It is used for a singular. Okay, and let's write first anata, then wa, then Indo, and then let's write Jin. Jin is a kanji, and then this. Anata wa Indojin desu. Anata, and this is wa, this is Indo, this is Jin. Indojin is a word, it's a not separated. Okay, anata wa Indogene des means you are Indian. You are Indian. And next we move to fifth, and that's I am Kumar. So I means watashi kumaru. Kumaru. It's in Japanese katakana because it's a name from India, right? Okay, so first watashi, then wa, kumaru. This line in the center is used to make the sound long. This one. Kumaru, then this. It's not anata. Anata means you. Watashi means I. Watashi wa Kumar desu. Watashi wa Kumar desu means I am Kumar. Watashi wa Kumaru desu. Kumaru desu. And I am Kumar means Watashi wa Kumaru desu. And next we move to number 6. He is a teacher. Teacher means sensei. Sensei. It's a job of teacher, and we say sensei. He is a teacher. He is a pronoun, so he means kare. Kare wa sensei desu. Kare wa sensei desu. Kare wa sensei desu. First kare, then wa, then sensei, and then this. Kare wa sensei desu. He means kare, and it's kare, then wa, then sensei, then this. Kare wa sensei desu, like this. He is a pronoun, and I will be discussing about pronouns very soon, and stay tuned. He kare and teacher sensei. And next one is the teacher is young. Young means wakai and teacher means sensei. And it's a pronoun and there's an adjective also. Okay, first of all we will write teacher, which means sensei, and then we will write wa. Then we will be writing the adjective in the video, and like this we are going to write it, and it's easy. Okay, so like this, then like this. Okay, and next is this. Kare. Kare means he, and first of all we have sensei, then wa, then wakai, and then this. And it's sensei wa wakai desu. Wakai means young. And next one is she is cute. She is kanuji. Cute means kawaii. Kawaii means cute, and she is also a pronoun. I have used two pronouns in this video. And first we will write she, then the wa, and then kawaii, then this. And it's done. Now, first of all, she in Japanese is written as kanoji wa kawaii desu. Kanoji wa kawaii desu. Kanoji wa kawaii desu. This is the last example. And she means kanoji. Kanoji wa kawaii desu means she is cute. Thanks for watching this video till the very end. Bye.